This is an interesting one. And this one is really important, and I probably haven't touched on it because it's not something that I think about. And here's why. It says, Carmen, I have an appointment with you next week regarding filing bankruptcy. I'm nervous about the meeting, nervous about filing, and wonder what I should do to prepare. What documents do I have to bring with me? How long will the meeting be? What do you decide? If I don't need to file bankruptcy, can you figure out other options? And that's from a young lady in Cape Coral. This is the type of question that I don't normally think of, but I'm sure it's on the minds of anybody who's coming in to see me or one of our attorneys. Here's what I want you to do. I want you to do as much homework as possible. Before you set an appointment with our firm, or when you set an appointment with our firm, we're going to send you forms to fill out. And by the way, we're actually changing that so that you're going to tap into our website, be able to fill out the forms online, get all the information you need, and I'll have it in my system ready to go, paperless. It's actually a pretty cool system. But we're working on that with Republic Technologies. And if you ever need a computer guy, Republic Technologies, definitely the way to go. These guys are fantastic. Just my little spiel. I know them. I really appreciate their service, and I like the ideas that they bring me about helping my business grow. But anyway, back to this young lady. Here's what we're looking at. When you're coming in to see me, I'm going to ask you to fill out these forms. I'm going to send you frequently asked questions. I'm going to send you the required disclosures so you have this information before you come in. But that doesn't tell the whole picture. You may have some aspects that you're nervous about. Go to our YouTube channel, The Delutri Law Group. Just go to YouTube and type in The Delutri Law Group, and all of our videos will show up. I think we have over 250 videos up about bankruptcy, consumer law, anything you want to talk about. Flip through the videos, see if there's a title that catches your attention. Also, go to our blogs. Our bankruptcy blog is the Florida Bankruptcy Lawyer blog. You can get to it through our website. Read about what we're writing about. I mean, there's information in there that is fantastic. And all of it is trying to help the consumer become more comfortable with the process. Also, when you come to our office, I don't want anybody to feel intimidated or shy or anything. It's really about you interviewing us and seeing whether we're the right attorneys to help you through the process. I've always been, leery about attorneys who think when you go to their office, they're selecting you. It's not the way it works. You are selecting them. You're figuring out whether these are the guys who are going to help you on this, or women who are going to help you on this. So the question is, how do they answer their phones? How do you feel when you walk in? Were you greeted comfortably? Were you made to feel, at home? Were you put in a conference room? Did you get in there? What was the whole theory of the consultation? Did you enjoy it? Did you get your questions answered, most importantly? That's what you really should be looking for when you come to our firm and say, hey, are these guys treating me the way I expect to be treated? Lastly, if you documents to bring with you, we're going to give you a list of documents that we think you need to bring with you, but mostly to the consultation. It's about asking questions, exchange of information. I'm going to ask you tons of questions about what you've told me. I'm going to inquire a little deeper about the things I need to know about. If you have a list of questions, please bring them with you. I'll be glad to answer them, but it's most of the times people find out they bring their list of questions. I usually answer all their questions by asking them questions to get the information I need. So it's actually a kind of funny playthrough. Now, what if I don't need to file bankruptcy? This happens all the time. People come in and say, no, I think I need to file bankruptcy. And if you don't, that's okay. The best thing about our firm is we've built it to have different departments, which is kind of lead me to the next question, but different departments, because if you don't need a bankruptcy, you may need to short sale your property. That may be in your best interest. And once we discuss it, you realize, okay, I get it. I don't need to do that. I need to do this. Then what I'm going to do is transfer you to our short sale department so you can speak to the short sale department and say, hey, this is what Carmen said I need to do. Let's get started. Or I need to fight my foreclosure. I'm going to say to you, here's what we need to do to get you started fighting the foreclosure. Or let's say it's just a credit card case and we need to fight it. Well, we've got the ability to do that, or we just have to sue a creditor. Something's going to happen there. If it's something our firm doesn't handle, I understand that. I'm going to get you to somebody who can help you, if I know anybody who can help you, or if I can do anything to try to assist you in any way possible. That's what we're there to do. I'm not going to waste your 30 minutes. Likewise, I have never had anybody waste my 30 minutes. Even if there's something I can't do for you, at least we've had a conversation. Hopefully, I've been able to help you in some way, shape, or form so that you have a roadmap when you leave the office. Whether you've retained us or not, I don't care. I want you to have a roadmap so that this way you know the path you're going on. So hopefully that'll help you out. I don't want to say your name if you're coming in next week. I don't want you to feel bad about that. But that was a excellent question. I really appreciate it because I don't think it's something that we've talked about before.